guys and welcome. My name is Nick and I'm from Hearns Hobbies. Today I'm in a bit of an unusual location. I'm in my hotel room during one of my business trips. As you travel on the other side of the world sometimes, have what is called jet lag. And today I was up at 4 a.m. as happened many times. I thought to bring with me something to do before I get into work. So today I thought to take with me the Performa P1 rock crawling combo. So in the past few months I get a bit more interested into the rock crawling. My kids can start playing as well. It's more of a slow moving kind of vehicle, and younger kids can have a go without damaging anything around the house or crashing onto people too hard, and at the same time they can gain some confidence and learn how to play with remote control cars. Our friends from HB Racing, they have released a new brand called Performa P1, and they're manufacturing a good range of high-end motors and speed controller for racing buggies and cars, lithium polymer batteries, various accessories, and obviously there is this rock crawling combo. So today I'm going to go through a unboxing of this combo. It comes with a 2100 kV motor and a speed controller. Obviously it's a waterproof combo, so it comes in a nice neat boxing like this, motors and speed controllers. So let's start with a speed controller. So it comes in this box. As we said, it's a waterproof system, so you can already see the sensor cable with a waterproof plug. You have your 3 motor wiring, XT60 plugs, the usual servo plug, and the on and off switch. I can see here in the box there are some tabs as well. I trust this will be to make the installation a lot easier onto your car actually. But look at it, they just tab in here. There's one tab on each side. We have to see there, but go in like that. There is some little ears for your speed controller, so you don't need any double-sided tape, and you can simply place this directly onto your car and screw onto some tabs that are in the cars. I believe the TRX4 does have some tabs already, and hopefully they fit perfectly, but we'll see that a bit later on when we do our installation. So moving on to the motor, is a 21 kV motor, comes in a really nice boxing like this, looks quite neat. You have your 3 motor wiring and obviously a sensor cable with a waterproof plug. So it's a fully censored waterproof ESC for rock crawling, which I believe will make it very smooth and gentle when you apply the power, and specifically at low speed. It's a motor again. It's called Radical Brushless Rock Crawling Motor, 21 kV. Today I'm going to install this on my TRX4, and I've been working on it and put some mods on it, and hopefully if everything goes well, I'm hoping to be able to take this to the Dubai Desert one of these afternoons after work. It could be a good first test. I will take a video of the installation. It shouldn't take too long. Seems to be quite straightforward, and we'll give you an update on how it goes a bit later on. Okay, so this is all pretty much finished, considering the limited tools that we had here. I forgot to get some good double-sided tape, a couple of other things so I could tidy up all the wiring, but we're all good. Looks like it's turned on. We're gonna put the cover there. We'll have to find a space for the switch, which could be somewhere near here. Otherwise we're all ready to go. Next will be to calibrate the controller and eventually set up the ESC. Now there is a program card for the ESC, but you can also do the setup through this button here. This comes with some instructions here, and they explain how to do that with the buttons and all that. So I'm going through the process now and see how we go with all this, and then we can go for a run. This hotel, I just got the engineering department, and they actually come up with a room with some cable ties, so we can tidy up all the wiring here so the stuff doesn't float around too much. And then think a little bit of programming. One very important step before we go playing today, it's the calibration of the controller. So we need to effectively get the controller to communicate to the ESC and agree on where is the neutral point, endpoint for throttle and brakes. So to set the speed controller, you press the set button and hold, turn on the ESC, hear some beeps on the speed controller, release the set button, press it once, and that means you set neutral. Pull the throttle, press again, double beep on the speed controller, go on the gas, press again, 1, 2, 3 beeps on the speed controller, release, and you're done. After 3 seconds you should be ready to go to drive. And it's working. Okay, so we are ready to go now. We are in the Quadra Lakes in Dubai here, so we're gonna have a test run on this machine just now. Okay, so we start in low gear. The feel is extremely good. The brakes, as you can see, the motor, the engine brake is quite powerful. So that's the full throttle like this. That's the reverse. So now we're gonna put it in second gear, see what happens. Traxxas pinion. So that's all pretty standard. So let's see how we go up on the dunes now. Let's reduce back to the low gear. Alright, second gear down.
Hey guys, I'm back in Australia finally. When I was in Dubai I couldn't shoot a conclusion of the video, but the car is here still all sandy and muddy. We had a really good fun up and down the dunes, and we also decided to take the car into the water. Unfortunately it was a bit salty, so I didn't have much of a chance of cleaning it there, but a little bit of rust is forming. However, it was really good fun. We put the car fully underwater and clearly still running. So definitely waterproof. This is probably one of the best crawler I used so far. We've done a few upgrades, as you can see from the pictures here, and the car is extremely fun. Also, when you have a chance of going out with the kids, it's something that everyone can use. So crawling is definitely a good thing for the family as well. So we'll shoot a few more videos on crawlers later on. Thank you for watching.